Hey besties, for today's look we're going to do this little fun artsy moment, so if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Alright guys, so to begin I'm starting with this Lorac Pro palette and I'm using a black shade. It is sparkly but you can't really tell that it has sparkles in it, so yeah. I'm just making like a wing shape on the outside and I'm going to follow that line all the way above my crease and just create the shape first and do the same on the other side and try to stay symmetrical, but it doesn't have to be too neat because we're going to blend it out after. Then you want to blend out those crease lines before you fill the lid in, because if you don't it will stay creased like that. So yeah, just make sure that you rub those out first. And I'm using a Sigma brush to pack that color on the lid. It is Sigma Eye Shading E55. I love this brush. It's like one of my favorite brushes ever. And then so I just clean the brush off and use it to blend out that top line a little bit. You could also use a fluffy brush, but I like to use the same one. So just make sure that you clean up as you go along, and if you're not comfortable using a big fluffy brush, you could scale it down and use something smaller for this outer part because you want to keep the shape. Alright, so after that I took a fluffy brush and just like a skin tone type of shade, and I'm just using that as a transition color and further blending that the black, but I don't want to take the black up too high, so I'm just, you know, trying to keep it in the crease. Alright, so next I just put a little highlight under the brow, and then I went in with this bright orange color on the inner corners there, and I left some space between the black and the orange because I wasn't sure what to do yet. Then I put some yellow and blended that into the orange, and I decided to go with hot pink for that inner corner, and then just blending those colors together. You want to blend out the edge also. And then I started painting. So I'm using Mayron Paradise paints, and they're a water activated paint, like face paint. And I just was doodling. I don't know. I didn't really have a method. There was like a little inspiration picture I see in like this pattern that was really cute. It's in my thumbnail actually on the background. But yeah, so I did all these doodles, and then I'll just talk to you when I'm done with that because it took forever. You know what, guys? Also, like, if you like to see looks like this, like creative makeup or I don't know, weird stuff, like I don't know, but whatever you call it, just let me know because I don't know if you guys like to see this kind of stuff because it's not really for everyone. But it's so much fun to do, and I would love to do more of it. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do. I can't just sit and do like natural looks all the time. It's so boring to me. But if you guys have any other suggestions or content that you want me to make, or you know, any like ideas, throw them my way because I am always looking for content ideas, and I would love to do some of your suggestions. So please comment and let me know. Thanks. Anyway, back to the video. So I decided to put some pink on the middle, and then I just deepened that black on the outer edge. And then I went in with the NYX glitter glue and put a little bit of glitter down there. I put some lashes, and I used what's it called? The Flash palette from Makeup Forever. It's like a cream based paint. Then I did my little black freckles, and that was like pretty much the last step, I think. Besides for the lips. Now it's time for a dance break because I was vibing, you know. I always got my music on when I am recording, and yeah. So that was it, guys. I did my baby hairs and I made them all wiggly and artsy too. I'm not really good at doing my baby hairs like that because I never do it. But it was still cute, I think, anyway. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. And if you did, don't forget to like and comment. If you have any questions, let me know. You know, I'll get right back to you. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I don't know who's gonna wear it anywhere, but maybe like a festival or something, or concert. I don't know. But anyway, that's it. Here comes my outfit of the day. So I chose to keep it all black for this one because I had a lot going on, like sprinkles on my face. The skirt and the top are from Kali, and the jacket is Pretty Little Thing, and the accessories were from Shein. And oh, I got those leggings that are like fake fake stockings, you know, the ones with the fleece inside. Those are so warm. I got those from Amazon, and the boots from Amazon too, but I don't know what store on Amazon I got the boots from. I forget, but just look up like Brad style chunky boots or something. And yeah, I tied the shirt wrong because I had no idea what I was doing, so I have to go back at my cart and see. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notifications on, baby, because I'm coming back with another video in a few days. All right, love you, bye.